Next vegetable cut, it's called coarse chop. Coarse chop is chopping vegetables. You can call it haché in a French term, or coarse chop for English. So let's make coarse chop from onion. So I have my onion here. So, and I'm going to make coarse chop from this onion, okay? The first thing, you slice them, the fine slice, because you are going to chop them into fine chops. So you slice them, very fine slice, okay? Then after slicing it, you chop it. Make sure I don't cry, right? So my chopped onion are ready. So this method of cut is called coarse chop. So my chopped onion are ready. So I can use them maybe for salads, maybe for tossing vegetables, maybe for marinating meat. So it can be used for different preparation. So you can get coarse chop from any vegetables, maybe from herbs, parsley, rosemary, thyme, any herbs can be chopped, onion can be chopped, or any other vegetable here can be chopped. Okay? So now my coarse chop or chopped onion are ready. So the next vegetable cuts, it's called roll cuts. So roll cuts, it's a cutting method for vegetables in round shape. So let's cut our vegetable roll cuts using tomatoes. So you just cut round shape. So this is roll cut. Okay. Roll cut can be also used to cut peppers, either red peppers You see, this is a roll pepper, roll cut for, this is a roll cut for sweet pepper. You can cut roll cut from cucumber. So, roll cut can be from different type of vegetables. So, we normally use roll cut for salads preparation, maybe for grilled vegetables. The next step is going to be turned vegetables. Turned potato, so we are going to turn our potato. So we have potato here that is presented in water to prevent or to maintain the color. Then, so we are going to turn them into different shapes. So let's start with the potato called fondant potato. So we have our potato here, so we are going to shape them into fondant potato. When we are turning potato, we normally use office knife or turning knife. So the turning knife, it's almost similar to office knife. So if you don't have a turning knife, you can use the office knife. Now our turned potato are ready. So if you count how many angles, you find it's between 6 to 7 angles, even if you don't count during turning. So you find itself gets 7 to 6 angles, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now our fondant potato are ready. So the next turned potato, it's called chateau potato. So we are done with the fondant potato. Now we are going to see chateau potato. So the same style. All turned potato are turned in the same style. The only difference is sizes. So our chateau potato is a bit smaller than fondant potato. You see, same shape but different size. So if you also calculate the angles, you find it's 7 angles. You see, it's smaller. Same shape but different size. Another potato, it's called parsley potato. So parsley potato, it's a bit smaller than chateau potato. the same style of turning. You see, our parsley potato, the same shape with fondant potato, with chateau potato, but smaller than chateau potato. Different sizes, but the same shape. Then the other potato, turned potato, another turned potato, it's called Orvet potato. So the same shape but different size. You see, here is our Orvet potato. You see, it's very smaller than parsley potato, chateau potato, and fondant potato. So now here we have turned potato with different size and different name. So we have fondant potato, chateau potato, parsley potato, and Orvet potato. So fondant potato, we normally boil them or blanch them, then we roast them in the oven. And for chateau potato, we boil them and we deep fry them. We use deep fryer. For parsley potato, we normally serve them boiled. So we can mix it with the parsley and butter. After boiling it, we can toss it with the parsley and butter, or we serve it naturally. So the reason it's more than other potato, it's used one cooking method, which is boiling. So we make it smaller so that the inside is cooked. But the rest of two, they are bigger, and it's used two cooking method: boiling, deep frying, boiling, and roasting. For Orvet potato, we can serve them when it's boiled. That is different cooking method for turned potato. It can be accompanied by meat, by vegetables, or with the other food production. After done with all vegetable cuts, now we are remaining with the trimmings. So we have trimmings of potatoes, we have trimmings of carrots, we have trimmings of onion, we have trimmings of green pepper, bell peppers. So when we talk about economical use of raw material, we are not going to throw them away. So the trimmings will be used to make production of soups, of sauces, production of stocks. So we don't throw away our trimmings. So we'll use them. We'll keep using them. So now we are done with vegetable cuts. So we have a chiffonade, we have a bâtonnet, we have dices, we have macédoine, we have roll cuts, we have brunoise of vegetables, we have julienne of vegetables, we have coarse chopped onion, we have paysanne, and we have turned vegetables. Thank you for watching me, and see you for the next lesson.